Driving a Jeep JL with a hardtop can sometimes mean dealing with excessive road noise and poor insulation. Whether you're facing extreme heat, cold, or just want a quieter ride, a hardtop headliner is a great solution. In this video, we'll review the best options to enhance your Jeep's comfort and insulation. At number 3, the Bedrug Jeep Headliner offers excellent noise reduction and temperature control. Made from durable, water-resistant materials, it provides a custom fit for the Wrangler JL's hardtop. It's easy to install and helps protect the interior while adding a sleek, refined look. Though it's not the thickest option, it's a solid choice for everyday use. At number 2, the Mopar OEM Headliner Insulation Kit is designed specifically for Jeep owners who prefer factory-quality upgrades. This kit significantly improves thermal insulation, keeping your cabin cooler in summer and warmer in winter. It blends seamlessly with the hardtop, providing a clean, stock appearance. While it's a bit pricier than aftermarket options, its superior fit and performance make it a worthwhile investment. The top pick is the Design Engineering Hardtop Headliner, offering the best combination of noise reduction, insulation, and durability. Made with a high-density foam core and a stylish fabric covering, it absorbs sound and stabilizes cabin temperatures effectively. It's easy to install with adhesive backing and provides one of the best all-around solutions for hardtop owners. Each headliner brings unique benefits, from the affordable comfort of Bedrug to the factory-grade quality of Mopar and the premium performance of Design Engineering. Choosing the right one depends on your budget and priorities, but any of these options will improve your Jeep Wrangler JL's interior comfort. If you found this review helpful, please check out the products in the description, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more content.